Our final two speakers begin with Mohamed Farah from Ka Joog.
In 2007, Ka Joog began with an idea and a vision to build a strong support network for Somali youth in Minnesota. Ka Joog is a Somali term for stay away. We work to urge Somali youth to stay away from all negative influences, including radicalization, by getting them involved in their community. Our mission is to focus youth toward higher education, civic involvement, and volunteer commitment. Ka Joog helps Somali youth understand their options and make the right choices by providing outlets through the arts and education. I would like to highlight a few of our programs. Our Invisible Art program is a traditional Somali arts club that also provides education and peer mentoring. We use the arts as a tool of engagement to empower and encourage youth. Our Be at School program is a truancy program focused on increasing school attendance by addressing early warning signs in Somali youth. We will be part of the Minneapolis Public School intervention program that Courtney described, and we will be working towards a similar model in St. Paul. Our Take Off program is an after-school program that includes leadership building and hands-on learning. It also includes 4-H clubs. We also send groups of Somali girls to Yellowstone Park for outdoor experiences tailored to leadership building, college, and preparation. During the coming year, we will expand our program in all of these areas so that we can reach more Somali youth. At Ka Joog, we are committed very much to working with our community and government partners to break the cycle of recruiting and radicalization. We view this pilot program as a unique opportunity to engage our youth in positive programs, providing more opportunities, more outlets, and more connections for our Somali youth will help break the cycle that drawn too many of our friends and relatives to a life of terror.
Problems at the airport, one person at a time. Abdi Phenomenal.
Our communities have been deeply affected by extremist ideologies, and the youth, the narrative of the Somali youth, has been left behind. Through this pilot program, we are focusing the attention of counter extremism to local grassroots initiatives. We want youth to challenge those who think differently and influence those who think the same. This pilot represents an opportunity for my community to change the narrative. We are lifting ourselves up and walking with all of you in peace. This piece here is an example of the lives of the youth in Minnesota. It's called More Than Heroes. We live, we breathe with our wings open, running fast, get caught with our limbs holding. Caught in the sense of our dreams being broken, the youth have no choice but to sell their dreams for a token. And old age is unnoticed, the youth unfocused, and Al-Shabaab is trying to tell you they'll bring change, but only if you hold this. But I'm holding peace in one hand and freedom on the other. Peace in one hand and freedom on the other. And besides, what's the difference between galvanizing the bleak and sanitizing the heat, between utilizing the weak and institutionalizing the free? I said, what's the difference between galvanizing the bleak and sanitizing the heat, between utilizing the weak and institutionalizing the free? It's between not being able to see and what is the door of opportunities if you swallowed your own key. In order to stay sane, you have to confide in truth, because truth is woven in the fabrics of the women and the youth. Thank you.